If you are watching this video, you probably wonder if there's a way how to add extensions to your automated Chrome browser. And yes, this is possible. First, we need to download the extensions you want to use as CRX files. Store the CRX files in your application folder or anywhere else where it is convenient for you to load them from. Just pull in a browser add extension command before the browser connect command here. We copy the path of the first extension CRX file and paste it in. If you want to load multiple extensions, simply add them here as well, one per line. Test and run. That's how it works.